Hey everybody, it's Kevin with another bit of a teaser video about just some of the content that we're going to be covering in the one-day retail managers bootcamp that we're running in Toronto on October 18th. Just one day only for a select group of lucky managers that get to come into this program. So let me give you a bit of insight into the next module that we talk about in this program. How do you deal with all those performance problems that happen in your stores? Now, you know, for your managers, when we survey them, dealing with those behavioral problems, the results problem, are right at the top of their stress list. So like, how do you have those conversations with employees who are coming in late, that aren't in their dress code, that aren't meeting your service or your selling standards, aren't asking for email addresses, aren't getting along out there? The list goes on and on and on. Those are tough situations for your managers, but they don't need to be. We show them how to deal with that conflict, but more importantly, we show them how do you have that roll off your tongue? How do you have that conversation with your employee so that we never run into those problems ever again? We give them a really effective, proven feedback model that actually solves most of the problems that they have. It's a great skill to be able to give to every store manager. So do your managers a favor, get them signed up. This program is only $5.45 for the day. It's an amazing value. Don't forget, we always have our no sandwich policy. So it's a hot breakfast, hot lunch, great breaks, great participants to be able to network over the course of the day. This really is a tremendous investment for all of your managers. Consider it as an investment in those that are doing a great job as a reward, and as the leg up that some of those that are struggling a little bit need to get to the next level of success. So do yourself a favor, get your people signed up today. We'll see you in the program.